people use NotebookLM, probably because its name is a bit boring, but it's a Google tool, so you should reconsider. Basically, you can drop a YouTube URL just by pasting in the URL. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be your own, but if it's your own, you'll be able to extract the data from it. You can use PDFs, audio, images, websites, YouTube, or just copy text. By copy text, I mean any text from anywhere. You drop it into this box. Once you've done that, you'll be able to then extract the information and create any one of these. An audio overview, which basically means like a conversation between two people about what you have pasted. So you can then use that audio to create your own video on the same topic. Another amazing one, this one's my favorite, is the video overview. When you click on this, it will create a cinematic video which is related to what the original video was, but with a different take, and you can actually customize it by typing into this box. You can create either a brief or an explainer video or a cinematic video. Now, I prefer the cinematic one because it creates actual video with moving video, probably using the Omni model. If you choose brief, you can choose different styles. I actually did this once and did South Park. I typed South Park style and you get style imagery. You get South Park style imagery, and it actually explains the exact same concept in that video which you pasted in. Additionally, you can create slide decks and you have multiple options here that you can choose from. So that's fantastic too. You can create flashcards on the topic in the video, which can help you as well if you're looking to study the information from that YouTube video. It can create a quiz based on what's going on in the video. So if you're teaching people different things, you can have this tool help you create that quiz, and you can choose the number of questions and the difficulty level. And you can even type a prompt what the quiz should focus on. So if you're a teacher, you could use this to create quizzes and questions for your students if you have a YouTube video on the topic. Oh, my battery's low. Anyway, you can also create an infographic. Now, I love this. You can create landscape or portrait. I personally use portrait a lot because I post it to social media, shorts, which refers portrait. You can decide on the type of prompt that will extract the information from your data. So for example, you can say focus on only certain topics, or you can choose the style as well of the infographic, and you can also choose the language. There's a nice amount of languages you can pick from to create this infographic, and you can create a report. And if you click on that, on the little arrow on the right, you can have 3 different options. It can even create a blog post from that YouTube video. Now, remember what we talked about at the beginning. It doesn't necessarily have to be yours. Now, check out the info. This is, for example, a blog post. And here I'll show you a quiz about dopamine. This video was about dopamine and how you can get someone addicted to watching your videos. Now, as you can see, you watched this video, so you obviously found value in it. So as you can see, it's asking questions on the video that I watched in order to get this information. What is the ultimate objective of successfully leading a viewer to stay watching through all 6 levels of the dopamine ladder? So you have to select the one that's correct, and it will tell you if you're right or not. So you can kind of test yourself on content. So that's, for example, dopamine quiz. And then we have the infographic. Look how amazing this is. This has taken a half-an-hour video and created a really good infographic which you can save so you can remember all the content. So if you have a really long bit of information, or you're about to do a test and you want AI to help you get an infographic from a YouTube video, this might be for you. Simply click add source, and you can add more than one source. You can add multiple PDFs, multiple audio files, multiple images, multiple websites, multiple YouTube links, and multiple copy text, and it will create one note out of it. So that's why they called it NotebookLM. And recently they've released NotebookLM 2 with even more functionality. Follow for more insane free AI